Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be playing Among Us VR again, but first we gotta cover a few new things. So first, there are some new festive hats. So, if you get the hat pack, you will get this snowman, a Santa hat, Rudolph antlers, elf hat, these really cool lights, and some candy canes. But you could also get this present hat for free when you log on. Now let's get into the video.
There's a lot of people. USA.
There's
so many people. Oh my god, bro. This is crazy.
Wait.
Bro. This is... Oh my god. Orange.
Why?
Orange.
Why?
Go pink out. Go pink out.
Orange?
Get out pink. Get out pink.
Why are you saying it's orange?
Call the meeting.
Why would you?
He asked who it was, and I said it me as I was walking away, and then he called
he's
joking. Chill
Guys,
out, bro.
let's skip. Guys, skip.
Imposter pink.
No,
I'm sorry,
let's
I'm
vote pink out, bro.
Oof, pink.
Why would you vote me out? That's not my fault. Blue.
Oof.
Blue.
Why would?
Exactly.
Can't even open my map.
Yeah, because I don't like nobody.
Okay.
Why are you following green?
Us three.
Oh my god. What the?
Hello, Bozo.
No, I want to get out. I want to get out of here. Can I not?
Ding 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 ding
It was
ding
in,
ding
guys,
ding ding
called
ding.
again?
Red did bad face skin.
It was in the.
We were literally. Bro,
I called it.
No, bro, you said choosing.
I
No,
called
wait,
it.
what? Why is it? How is it me? How is it me? How's it me? How's it me?
It was in the purple place. I forgot what it's called.
Shut
Oh.
up, Blue.
I don't know. I was doing my tasks. I didn't even see you. I didn't see both of y'all.
Who are we voting?
For a matter of fact, I didn't
saw
see yellow or green.
Wait, so who do we vote?
I don't know. I'm just saying.
I voted
I'm
yellow.
skipping. I skipped. Just skip.
Never mind.
Nobody.
Where is everybody? Oh, there's literally nobody here.
I hated that one.
Yo, Gray.
What?
You want to stay with us? Yes, I did it. What if it's gray?
Okay, what?
Hey, he did med base skin.
Okay.
This
If you did,
Ow! Too easy, bro.
GG.
That was so easy. Let's go.
Start the game, guys.
Start the game, bro.
Imposter, come on, give me imposter. Come here, imposter. Let's go.
No!
I'm imposter, guys.
Dang it, I'm cool.
I'm so happy.
No,
right
you
now.
are
It's the
not.
worst.
No, you are not. I'm not falling for that again, Orange. You're just gonna make me get voted out, Orange. Yeah, but I'm not it.
Oh, come on, wait. Am I pressing the wrong? I'm pressing the wrong button. I was pressing the wrong button this whole time.
Are you faking?
No. This is my drift right now. If you dare touch me.
Oh, I promise I won't touch you.
Uh-oh, run.
It's not me. It's not me.
Run.
I promise. I just want to follow you.
Run.
What do you mean run?
Run. Oh my god. Wait. Oh my god. No. Drift, please.
Back up.
Did I do it? Wait, I was literally right at the end. Wait,
What?
Let's go, I did it.
They see me. Who's black?
Yeah,
Just
black,
scared
black.
him.
What is he? I think black is
Racist,
is the
bro.
imposter.
Why are you blaming
Black
the,
is
why is
sus.
it gotta be the black guy? Why is the black
Black
guy
is-
gotta be
is-
It's all
that
pink,
means-
man. Just vote it. Like you can't say the black guy's a murderer. That's just you can't do that.
Yeah,
Why
that's
can't we vote him?
yoink.
Obama
How to
did
select
not
children.
become
I feel
president
like
for
we're
this.
bullying
Hello, this is your former President Barack Obama.
Pink. I feel like we're bullying Pink.
You know what? He wasn't an imposter. I'm sorry.
My last task. Oh wait. Yeah, guys, always remember to recycle Among Us. And yeah, just recycle Among Us. Really good for the earth. I honestly don't care. Stop. No. Up, that side. Okay. Oh my god!
I found it in reactor. It was in reactor.
Where?
I think I was wrong last time. I think it's black.
I have a feeling it's blue.
I think black. It's black.
It's either black or green because like the second I turned into the reactor area, lime
We
kind
can
of
vote
creeped
gray
around the corner.
first.
And then gray was
fixed
also
the
there.
lights.
I'm gonna vote gray.
I went to
I think it's
red.
lime. It was.
Bye bye black.
Did we get it wrong?
Wow!
Dude,
No, no.
Dude, are you
Oh my
kidding?
god.
It wasn't him. Oh no, that's an electrical.
Let's go!
Hell no.
Let's go!
Take that, blue. That's what you get for voting on pink. That's it.
Nice game, boys!
Oh my god. Oh my god, he on X Games
What do you
mode.
know?
Dude,
5 seconds, beat that.
Okay, go click it.
Bro!
Okay,
Pink!
pink. Pink,
What are you
you're not supposed to
doing?
click the button. Red was
He was
supposed
supposed
to
to push it! He was supposed to push it! He was supposed
You were
to
supposed
push
to
it!
push it. Why didn't you push it?
Yo, I wanted to vote him
Why didn't
out.
you push the button though? Skipping. I'm skipping.
Yeah, let's just skip.
I wish we could all
Fine,
be
we
the
can
same
skip
color.
imposters.
Make
I
it
have a feeling
confusing.
that it's you, and
Why me?
Oh no, vote me white again.
because you haven't been imposter in so long!
I've literally been
I
imposter
only-
2 games ago.
Yeah, I'm totally imposter. You guys should vote me out. Totally.
Oh my god.
Oh. Don't worry, I
You
got this one.
I'm go.
The most satisfying task. Do it, guys!
Do it! Just do it!
Oh no, somebody's gonna.
Oh man.
I wish cams actually worked. Wait, let me just check something. Nope, doesn't work. Run. Go. These bonkers. What the? Why am I here? What? What's going on? Guys? Hello? Hopefully you didn't vote me out. You got voted out. Guys, I was still in the map while you guys were talking. Guys, you guys were still in the... I was out here
What?
while
How?
you guys were talking.
Orange. How? Orange.
It was a
how?
glitch. I don't know. I was... What?
Rhyme. Should I press that button?
I think I should press the button and say, guys, we're almost out of toilet paper and we need to vote someone out so we
Okay,
can
you
save up
can.
supplies. Yeah. Ready?
And if it's the wrong person, I'll use my button.
Hey, I saw my.
Alright, guys, I got an announcement to make. We're almost low on toilet papers, so we need to save up our supplies and we need to vote someone out so we can save up our supplies. So who should we vote out?
Yellow's always using the toilet
disappear
paper. Yellow's always
disappear
using the toilet
last
paper.
Oh yeah, yellow is always using the
I
toilet
mean-
paper. I'm voting yellow. I'm voting yellow.
3
Yeah, Yellow.
You're made
Yellow, you gotta stop having diarrhea.
You are.
You gotta
vote
stop eating
yellow.
bean burritos. Yellow.
True.
No, it's probably
Please.
lime.
Too,
Yeah,
too much
think of it.
You gotta
Taco Bell.
stop.
You're
He,
having too
no,
much
he
Taco
wants to
Bell.
vote one person out, so then they win. So vote.
No!